stop for?
Ain't no mercy.
Your gas cap's closed.
Got that purple Lamborghini lurking. Nothing will change.
Deeper. That's what she said.
All right, there.
It's gonna be hot.
No. Not at all.
That's how I get my car to start.
Those are the wrong two. You gotta use the middle too.
Dude, where'd you get this pizza? It's so greasy.
Yeah, Hungry Howie's. It's right next to the mechanic shop.
Oh, Howie the mechanic. Yeah, that's right.
That's Hungry Howard you're thinking of.
Hungry Howard. I mean, I mixed up. Hungry Howard the mechanic. Perfect. The more bites you take, it actually grows on you. It's pretty good.
One bite.
One bite.
One bite, everybody knows the rules. Whole slice, everyone knows the rules.
Whole pizza. Everyone knows the rules.
You gonna score it?
Hungry Howard's 1.2. It's too greasy.
Floppy.
It's a greasy mess. Look at this. It's terrible.
Looks like I just changed my oil after I ate a pizza.
I just changed my pizza. I need to change my car's
Is this
pizza.
how you change your oil in a pizza box?
Oh, like you go into the car, the pizza box says like the oil drip pan, but there's still the pizza there.
Get a little bit of that if you want. Board slide.
Board slide. Hold on, check the pizza's oil.
Holy shit, you're low.
Fill her up.
You're full, boss.
You just top her off for me.
Too greasy.
Dude, you should put marinara sauce in the fucking like windshield wiper fluid.
Pizza truck's here.
Are you going forwards or backwards?
Forward.
All right, I'll push you. Oh, we got it a little bit. Yeah, that thing's locked out. Yeah, there's smoke coming out of that thing. The transmission thing.
Look, oh, 3 payments.
Hole number 18.
Unreal.
Ranger. It's not a Power Ranger, it's a powerless Ranger. Well,
What's wrong with it?
I think the transgender's ruined.
We love those people. They're great people.
Great people.
You talk about the transgender, we've done big things for the transgender.
Big
people.
things.
You think about Joe Biden?
Mr. Trump, can I get a reaction to Robert Kennedy endorsing you?
That guy is a great guy, frankly. We love that guy. His dad got shot just like me, frankly. He didn't make it like me. He's not as strong as me, frankly. They say, wow, I've never seen a guy survive an assassination like this, frankly. John F. Kennedy is such a pussy. He died. He died like a dog, absolute dog. Unlike this guy. This guy's a great guy. We love this guy. This guy's fantastic. He's incredible.
Pleasure to
He's
meet
not
you,
like
Mr. Trump.
JFK. He made it out of the war, frankly.
You have my vote, sir.
Absolute patriot. Is incredible.
You're a legend, dude.
Oh, come on.
Oh, you gotta say Allah Akbar.
Allah Akbar.
Oh, no, that's a steel bar.
You gotta run with it.
Oh,
Try and put a hole in the bed with the sharp end.
Tire.
No, don't do the tire.
no, okay.
I still want to be able to drive it if I can.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I still got plenty of life.
Ah.
Oh, that would have been the one. BLM.
Mythbusters. BLM. Oh, it did go through.
Oh shit, it went through the
It actually went through the headrest.
Oh, big boy.
Oh, you're so strong.
He preferred none.
too far anyway.
Eli's got him with the super zoom.
Look at this guy. We have a Mexican, frankly, crossing the Rio Grande. It's so incredible. I've never seen a guy jump over a border like this. He's like a Mexican. Frankly, it's incredible.
So
Got the hops like an African American.
guys like my new dirt bike? Like an African American.
I've got to run to keep from and I'm bound to keep on riding. I've got one more silver dollar, but I'm not gonna let 'em catch me, no. Not gonna let 'em catch the midnight rider. And I don't own the clothes I'm wearing, and the road goes on forever. And I've got one more silver dollar, but I'm not gonna let 'em
Hop in.
not gonna
I'm your Uber, sir.
catch the midnight rider.
We love the African American people. Wow! Wow!
I know, dude. It's my only car. Yeah.
We love Eli. We love black people. That's fantastic.
So incredible.
Bandana, dude. You got something to tell me?
Yeah. That's my essays.
We love those Mexican people.
Little Blue. Top essays. Totaled my car essays.
Hit me with your fat cock. Why don't you hit me with your fat cock? Hit me with your cum shot. Fire away.
Ma'am, your shoe's tied. It's tied. Yeah. Sir, your fly's up. Yeah. Oh, it's.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, I'll take one if. Oh, you don't need them?
No,
Oh, thank you.
they won't let me in on it.
Oh, well, I appreciate it. Free water. A kind soul. They wouldn't let him take them. What if these are all roofied? The guy just like poisons us. Definitely roofied. You can taste the roofie. Sir, your fly's up. Your fly is up.
What?
Your fly. It's up.
Oh, your fly. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta put it down.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, what's that for? Oh, I'm holeless, not homeless. I mean, if you know a good girl for me that you could recommend. If you're single, maybe. Thank you. Oh, that's so kind of you. I appreciate that. Unbelievable. Wasn't expecting that.
She tried to give you money?
She gave me money. And I like pointed to mine and he looked at me like I was crazy. Yeah, you gotta put it down. You gotta put it down. Yeah. So your fly's up. Bruh, your fly's up.
My fly's up?
Yeah, it's up. Yeah, you gotta put it down. You gotta, see. That's how they wear them these days. Ma'am, your shoe's tied.
My shoes?
Yeah, it's tied. Let's see. You gotta untie them. Ma'am, your fly is up. Your fly's up.
Up?
Yeah, you gotta.
Down?
Yeah, that's how I wear mine. That was awkward. Sir, your fly is up.
Fly's down.
No, your fly is up. It's up. Your fly on your pants. Yeah, it's up.
It's up. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you gotta put it down, see?
You gotta put down.
Right? Put some air in the old baggage, you know? baggage claim, indecent exposure, or decent exposure.
Denim down to the socks.
I was gonna say, he looks like Sonic the Hedgehog, like the way his hair was and everything. It's retired Sonic. I feel bad, like if they're in a rush, like I don't wanna make anyone late. Your shoes tied. Your shoes tied. Your shoes are tied. All three of you, actually. Your shoes tied. Your fly is up. Yeah, it's up.
Oh, it's one more?
No, your fly on your pants is up. You might want to keep it down. There's like 100 elevator rides. Hi, yeah, I just wanted to say you look beautiful today. Yeah, no problem. All right, have a good one. He's like, oh, thank you, I appreciate it. I'm like, that'll be it. It's a courtesy, I gotta give him a courtesy call. It's just polite, you know? You gotta be courteous. Oh, you. I'm holeless. I'm holeless. Your shoes untied. Ma'am. Your shoe. She checked it. It's like, oh, thank God, the bus is here. Bye. She waved bye. See if you can still see them in the bus in the middle. They looks again. Stating the obvious. Sir, your tire's low on air.
I've been to 2 goddamn places,
Yeah.
and some bitches take your money,
Oh,
but
and
they don't work.
Oh, it's the worst.
Pissing me off.
Some of them do it for free. There's certain ones. It
This
looks
one
like.
says free pressure check. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, that one does free pressure check, but you gotta pay if you want to fill it up. It's almost like when you go to a doctor, they'll give you a free diagnosis, but it'll be like $10,000 if like you need a vitamin. He starts smoking the air, like the the thing. He smokes it like it's a vape pen, or like a hookah.
It's like a hookah, yeah.
Because I want to smoke some air today. Yeah, I don't smoke weed anymore, but I do smoke air. Just get high as fuck off of air. Sir, your gas cap is closed. Your gas cap. The gas cap. Your gas cap's closed. The gas cap. Hi. Excuse me? I'm hoeless, ma'am. I need a hoe. Will you be my hoe? Sir, your gas cap. Your gas cap's closed.
Oh, yeah.
I was just letting you know.
Oh, yeah, appreciate it.
Have a good one. Your gas cap's closed. The gas cap. Bro, your gas cap is closed.
My gas cap what?
It's closed. Yeah. I'm just letting you know. Gotcha. Do you need me to open it for you? Okay. Because I can open it if you need me to. He's like, yeah, actually, could you open it for me?
Nice shirt.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm hoeless. If you know anybody.
Just taking a ride.
Not at the moment.
Get in there. I didn't think it got on that side.
Too greasy? The liberal media doesn't want you to know that oil has health benefits.
Old, that chart's a couple of months old, and if you want to really see something that's sad, take a look what happened.
Many Dems wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, but I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. Antifa trying to take my life away. I'm winning polls, so these liberals are targeting me.
my back on the wall, now you're gonna see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. These libs wanna take your votes away.